The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north-central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 5 p.m. At 4:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near town, or 9 miles northwest of West Chester, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Coatesville, Downingtown, Honeybrook, Elverson, Glenmore, Chester Springs, Putown, Leonville, Markwood, Shadarville, Stowe, South Coatesville, Modena, Exton, Thorndale, and South Pottstown. This includes Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 300 and 316. For your move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following county: Chester, Pennsylvania,